Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to easily combine vitamin C serum with sunscreen for maximum skin benefits. First, understand that vitamin C serum is a powerful antioxidant, fighting off free radicals and brightening your skin. Sunscreen, on the other hand, provides essential protection against harmful UV radiation. Using them together creates a synergistic effect, boosting your skin's defense system and promoting a healthier, more radiant look. It's a simple, yet effective addition to your daily routine. The order of application is crucial for optimal results. Begin by cleansing your face to ensure a clean canvas. Next, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your fingertips and gently press it into your dry skin. Give the serum a moment, typically 1 to 2 minutes, to fully absorb. This allows the active ingredients to penetrate effectively. Finally, apply your broad-spectrum sunscreen generously as the last step in your morning routine. To truly maximize your routine, consider a few key tips. Opt for a stable vitamin C serum, such as one containing L-ascorbic acid, for best efficacy. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to ensure adequate protection. Remember to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours, particularly if you are swimming or sweating. Consistency in this daily practice will lead to noticeable and long-term improvements in your skin's health and appearance. Avoid common mistakes to get the most from your routine. Never mix your vitamin C serum and sunscreen together in your hand before applying. Each needs to absorb separately. Also, ensure your chosen products are compatible to prevent any potential skin irritation or reduced effectiveness. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Finally, always store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency and extend its shelf life for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.